Welcome to the Introduction to Microsoft 365 Excel Insert tab, Part 6 of 12 parts, presented by the Fruitland Park Library, narrated by Gloria. Table of Contents, Excel Insert tab, Part 6 of 12 parts. Insert pictures to use as backgrounds, changing a worksheet into a table, inserting shapes into a table, creating a chart from a table, changing chart colors, chart elements, filter and sort, format chart to remain unhidden, comments and notes, add text box to worksheet. If anyone needs instructions on how to have two windows open at the same time, please see Excel 365 Video 1. Page Layout tab, Page Setup group, and click Background, and the Insert Picture dialog box will open. Click on the location where the picture is being stored. You can insert a picture as a background, but the picture will repeat the image across the worksheet. To delete the picture, click on Delete Background. You can use a very large white background and then paste the image to prevent the repetition, but there are still two major problems. One, it's difficult to read the data in some places. Two, the image will not print, only the data will print. Here's an alternative method that will print out and look great for inserting logos. Insert tab, Illustrations group, click on Pictures and select a picture. Small circles are selection handles. Position the picture where you think it looks the best on the worksheet. You can adjust the size by using the selection handles if needed. The Picture Format tab is now displayed on the ribbon. Click on the Picture Format tab. Click on Transparency. Reduce the transparency to allow the data to be readable. The data is readable and the image will print out. Go to the Insert tab. We'll change this worksheet into a table. Method 1. Highlight the data. Go to the Insert tab. Select the Table command. Click the table icon. The marching ants, dotted lines, appear around the selection and the Create Table dialog box opens. If you accept the formula, click OK. If your table has headers, don't forget to check My Table Has Headers. The Table Design tab also opens. To change the style Excel has selected, click on the downward arrow in the Table Style group. As you scroll over the style, your table style will change as you scroll. Select the one you like. Excel automatically applies styles to the table. Once you have selected the style you like, click off the data to remove the highlighting. If you don't like the color of the table, before clicking off of it, simply click on another color. If you have already clicked off of it, highlight it again and select a new color. Method 2. Highlight the worksheet. On the Home tab, Styles group, click Format as Table. Select a color for the table by clicking on the color. Inserting shapes can be helpful to draw attention to important data facts on the worksheet. In this example, the product with the highest net profit was apples, while pears was a product with the poorest net profit. To insert a shape, click on Shapes, Insert tab. A drop-down menu will open. Select a shape. When you scroll over the worksheet, the cursor will turn into a plus sign. Hold down the left mouse button, drag upward and to the right, then release the left mouse button. Adjust the size and location by using the selection handles. Click, hold down the left mouse button and drag outward to enlarge the shape. Click, hold down the left mouse button and drag to adjust the location. Shape Format tab will open. Select Color or Colors by using Shape Fill and Shape Outline. Highlight the table. Click on the Insert tab. click on the chart's command icon. Select the first 2D column chart. A chart has now been inserted on the worksheet. The Chart Design tab and the Format tab are now active. If you wish to change colors of the chart, click Change Colors, scroll through the colors, and watch the colors of the chart change. To change styles, scroll through the Chart Styles group. You can select which elements you wish to include on the chart by clicking on the plus sign and placing a check mark next to the elements you wish to include. The style and color selections you have by clicking on the brush icon are the same colors and style selections used for Change Colors or Chart Styles on the Chart Design tab. To filter the data on a chart, click the funnel icon. Highlight the data and simply uncheck what you do not want to appear on the chart. Click Apply. In this example, the year 2016, Category 1, Column G wasn't needed. The chart only displays the data for years 2017, 2018, and 2019. 2016. Clicking on Chart Filters allows you to filter the chart by series or by categories. If you changed your mind and you do wish to include the year 2016 in the chart, simply click the chart filters, click Select All, click Apply, and 2016 will reappear on the chart. This method works fine for small charts, but not for larger ones because it requires you to individually uncheck each unwanted data. For practice, make a second worksheet with more data. The one below was made using the months and the year 2022. As a shortcut, January through December 22 data was copied and pasted below December 22. The year 22 was changed to 23. Next, a chart was created using the steps we have just covered. For a faster filter, go to the Data tab to turn on the filter in the Sort and Filter group. Click Filter. Headers now display filter buttons. Click on the filter button next to the header, date, in column A. Sort and Filter task pane opens. Enter 22 in the Text Filters box. Notice the chart is still being displayed, but once you click OK, the year 2023 will disappear from the chart. Chart displays the figures for the year 2022 only. Data has been filtered for the year 2022 only. The other rows are still there, they're just hidden, which causes the row numbers to be blue in color. If you wish to display all the data again, click the Filter button or click Undo. All of the data is now unhidden and the chart is now being displayed. Sometimes when data is hidden, the chart will disappear. To set the chart so that it does not disappear when filtering the data, right-click on the chart. Select Format Chart Area. Format Chart Area task pane will open. Click on Size and Properties, go to Properties, and select Don't Move or Size with Cell. If a file has shared a link and the file is copied and pasted to another sheet, there is no shared link to this new sheet. The link will have to be shared again so it can connect to the new sheet. To add a comment, select a cell. For this tutorial, cell D13 was selected. Insert tab, Comments group, click Comments. The comment box opens, enter the information. A small purple shape appears which indicates a comment is being added. Click Post. A reply can be sent by clicking on the arrow. You can also insert a comment by right-clicking any cell and selecting New Comment from the menu. New Note feature. If you don't need to discuss the data, use notes. There is no reply feature using notes. Insert tab, Text group. In the text group, click Text Box and draw a text box in a blank area on the worksheet. Sometimes you may want to draw attention to a certain cell or add a reminder. Using the text box helps. It can be moved to a new location, use the selection handles to change the size, and can be deleted easily. Fruitland Park Library. This concludes the introduction to Microsoft 365 Excel, inserting Part 6 of 12. Thank you for joining us for Part 6. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial and will be joining us for the remaining Parts 7 through 12 of Microsoft Excel 365. If you have any questions or would like a transcript of this tutorial, please contact gloria.terry@mylakelibrary.org or call 352-360-6561.